Hey Kevin, thank you for placing this order. I am Ahmad, so I have set up your Notion template. So first of all, here is the template name, then the logo, this banner, then here is the all expenses and table view by data, description, amount in some calculation with, then category, then merchant, then debit card, then receipt in file format, then second is note section, then tag section. So this is table view, then second is calendar view, so this is calendar view, and last is by category summary. So here like category bills, entertainment, food, shipping, transport, so more. By the way, I have added these some entries by dummy purpose to check out like everything is working smoothly or not. So I am sending you this Notion template, so check out and let me know if you need any changes or more. So how you can transfer this template into your account. So here I'm going to share this. First I need to publish this template, so I have published this and copy this link. So when you will open this and open the new tab and paste this link, and this Notion template will be a view in this format. So here is the option like duplicate. You just need to click here and this template will be moved in your Notion account. So let me know if you need any changes further. I am ready to start next project. Thank you.